so I owe GoPro an apology. For months I've been saying they can't record in low light situations. That's because I googled GoPro settings for low light recording, and what I got back was rubbish. Probably because their definition of low light was indoors or overcast, but my definition is it's dark and the brightest thing you can see is the full moon. But I kept digging around, and I found where I could set things like ISO and shutter speed. I kept playing around with these settings until I found what I felt was the best. And then I applied the same settings to my Insta360 Go 3, mounted them both on my bike, and went for a ride. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the Insta360 versus the GoPro. As you can see, the Insta360 has a darker image, but it's less grainy and it has decent stabilization. On the other hand, the GoPro is actually a brighter image, but it's clearly more grainy and has very poor stabilization. However, in the GoPro's defense, both cameras were mounted to a toe peak bar extender mounted to the end of my aero bars, so the cameras were bouncing all over the place, even on smooth pavement. Nevertheless, the Insta360 handled it better than the GoPro. The trail is being illuminated by my Saigo light. It's about 10 years old, and when it was new, it put out about 400 lumens. I'm not sure how much it's putting out now. It's not a heck of a lot.